your lawnmower is shipped without oil in the engine. Before fueling, be sure the lawnmower is level. Remove the oil fill cap dipstick from the oil fill spout. You receive a container of oil with the unit. Slowly pour the entire container down the oil fill spout into the engine. Insert and tighten the oil fill cap dipstick. Check the oil level before each use. Add oil if needed. Change the oil after every 25 hours of operation or each season. You may need to change the oil more often under dusty, dirty conditions. Fill the fuel tank to the bottom of the tank filler neck. Do not overfill. Use fresh, clean, regular, unleaded gasoline with a minimum of 87 octane. Do not mix the oil with gasoline. Purchase fuel in quantities that can be used within 30 days to assure fuel freshness. Check the crankcase oil level before starting the engine and after each 5 hours of continuous use. Tighten the oil plug securely each time you check the oil level.